Dashcam 365, Dashcam 365, let's go.
Exit the parking lot toward Fenton Street.
Let's get it. I hate fucking rainy days. Oh, sorry guys. Rainy days suck. Rainy days suck.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto West 48th Avenue. Signs for I-70 East.
It's gotta be more than that, but it's not good. Yeah. It's gonna go, yeah. Slow.
At the stop sign, turn right onto North Harlan Street. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto West 48th Avenue. Signs for I-70 East.
Oh, rainy days suck.
Turn right onto West 48th Avenue. Signs for I-70 East.
Exactly.
Then you'll take the I-70 East ramp on the left. Take the I-70 East ramp on the left. Then merge onto I-70 East. Continue on I-70 East for 3 miles.
Không chung lối mang nỗi tiếc cho như ngày nào tay trong tay.
In 2 miles, take exit 273 for Pecos.
Lối về cùng hẹn hò sẽ rất mong chờ. Vì mãi bước theo chồng em xanh rồi chôn kín hôn lên tóc em để sau thấm ướt đôi mi. Xin em một lời cho ước tình yêu thôi. Better hurry up before they close shop, bro. Take the first exit onto North Pecos Street. Yep. Minutes. Oh, I hate this fucking kind of weather. So sleepy.
At the next stop sign, turn left. At the stop sign, turn left onto West 34th Avenue. Then your destination will be on the left. Your destination is on the left.